Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable download option in YouTube video. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to download and open YouTube Studio application. Then in this interface at the bottom of the screen you need to click on the content option, and then next to videos topic you need to click on the view all button. After that, you need to click on the three dots near the necessary one with the video, and then click on the edit button. In this interface you will see a lot of options, so you need to click on the last one, more options, text, shorts, remixing, category. After that you need to scroll down, and then you need to disable allow embedding option. After that you need to go back, and then at the top right corner click on the save button. After that your download option will be disabled. And that's how to disable download option in YouTube video. If you find this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.